fridge. This is the most.
Show them the fridge.
Oh, now here's the thing: is like since we're so new, we don't have like underwear lying around, like personal stuff. So this is like as personal as it gets. Be prepared because it gets a little bit crazy. We're actually stocked though. Water, good. If you're feeling really crazy, crack open a can of Yoo-Hoo. It's really just stocked with beverages and pickles. What are these?
Pickles and hot sauce.
It's a good combo. It's how we stay fit. It's how we stay sharp.
Sharp in the brain and sharp mentally.
Exactly. That's one of the most important ones. Gatorade, snack packs.
We basically have the fridge of like a 6-year-old. Like if you said, hey, 6-year-old, what do you want in your fridge? We got it. Because we got Gatorade, snack packs, Yoo-Hoo, pickles.